guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I kind of wanted to do something fairly different from the last two videos that I uploaded here. But yeah, it was supposed to be an unboxing of the stuff that I bought off Profusion, but I went a little out of hand and I got too excited, and long story short, I unboxed the box before this video even existed. So yeah, without further ado, if you guys do want to see the stuff that I bought off the site of Profusion, which I will link down below, then stick around. So the first product that I'm going to go with is the lips to go from the company Profusion Cosmetics. It comes with a lip cream, matte lip cream, a matte lip liner, and a sparkling lip topper. So that would be this product. So it comes with 3 pieces, and I find it very useful for different varieties. So for example, like if you don't want to use the lip topper and you just want to use the matte lip cream, then you can just go ahead and use that. I like to use the matte lip cream and let's say a different topper, because sometimes I like that ombre effect with a different sparkling topper, so that's what I would do. The second product that I'm going to show you guys is the Profusion Cosmetics Lip to Go 3-piece Velvet Lip Kit. So it's in this product. It comes with a lipstick, a lip liner, and also a lip topper, but this is not shimmery as the other lip kit. Lips topper, it's more so just a glossy effect. The next product that I'm going to show you guys is the Profusion Cosmetic Eyes, the 8-shade eyeshadow palette that looks like this. The packaging is very thin and very delicate, but for a $5 price range, I think it's very reasonable. What I also like about the Profusion packaging itself is that it shows the descriptions of the products and the ingredients of the products. It also recommends that when you do open these products that it lasts for 24 months. The next product that I'm going to show you guys is the Sculpt and Glow. It looks like this. Again, it has the descriptions and suggested application right there. When you open the product, it looks like this. And it also comes with a brush. And it comes with 2 rows of highlights, different types of colors. This one right here says that it's a highlighter, but honestly for my skin tone, I think that I could use it for an under eye brightener. And then this could be this color right here could be my bronzing, and this color here could also be my contouring. I use a lot of bronzing instead of contouring, so I wouldn't prefer using this brush. I would use another brush of mine, but this would probably be good for sculpting my nose or sculpting my cheekbone. The last product that I'm going to go through with you guys is the Profusion Cosmetics Siennas palette. There's 21 eyeshadows and a dual-ended brush within this palette. So for $10, I find that it's a very good price range, very reasonable. The packaging also has a description of the suggested or recommended eye look or application. When you open it, it comes with a dual-ended brush and 21 eyeshadows. And so the last product that I'm going to share with you guys is the Profusion medium to deep 8-piece brow defining kit. So it looks like this. It comes with a palette. So this is like 3 powders. And then this is like, I believe a concealer, but this would be a little too pink. It comes with a tweezer. It comes with a medium deep eyebrow pencil and a clear gel. So yeah, if you guys had fun watching this video and want me to create a makeup tutorial using the products that I got from Profusion Cosmetics, then like my video, comment down below, hit the subscribe button, and let me know. Mwah. Bye!